Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Zapier, Make, and N8n. These three powerful tools help you automate repetitive tasks and connect your favorite applications. Zapier is often praised for its simplicity and vast number of integrations, making it ideal for beginners. Make, previously known as Integromat, provides a highly visual canvas for building intricate workflows. Lastly, N8n stands out as an open-source option, offering unparalleled control for those with technical expertise. We will explore their unique strengths to help you choose the best fit. When it comes to features, Zapier leads with an impressive library of over 8,000 app integrations, making it incredibly versatile for connecting mainstream software. Make excels with its visual builder, allowing you to design intricate workflows that resemble flowcharts, perfect for complex logic. N8n, while having a smaller native library, offers extensive flexibility through custom code and community nodes, enabling connections to virtually any API. Each platform also provides capabilities for integrating with artificial intelligence models. Understanding the pricing models is crucial for scalability. Zapier charges per task, with a free plan including 100 tasks monthly and paid plans starting around $20 per month. Make operates on an operations-based model, offering 1,000 operations on its free tier, with paid plans beginning at approximately $9 per month. N8n provides a free, self-hostable community edition, giving you unlimited workflows, while its cloud plans start at about $20 per month for 2,500 workflow executions. For high-volume users, self-hosting N8n can be very cost-effective. For those needing deep customization, each platform offers different levels of control. Zapier allows for dynamic inputs and custom code steps, extending its capabilities for more advanced users. Make provides a flexible environment for complex workflows, including custom variables and robust error handling. N8n truly shines in customization, being open source and self-hostable. This means you can modify its source code, create custom nodes, and integrate with internal systems, offering the highest degree of control for technical teams.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.